Hey guys, I'm back now. All my information is entered, my billing's set up, my credit card's set up. I was charged 20 cents for that listing. That's it. That's all it cost me to start an Etsy store. 20 cents. Pretty cheap, pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna go through here, edit my shop, add a picture, add a profile picture, and do some other stuff here to get my store up and running. Like I said, you guys, fill out as much of your Etsy store as possible. Go through it with a fine-tooth comb and just kind of make sure everything's clicked, make sure everything's accepted, everything's working smoothly, because it's really going to help your guys' Etsy store. And that's one thing I can tell you guys that's going to set you apart from other Etsy stores is having all those boxes checked and having all those extra things completed in your Etsy store. So um, you guys can follow along a little bit. I'm going to make a banner back here, something that looks a little more professional. You don't have to. You can keep it blank. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool called Canva. You can use Photoshop, you can use Illustrator. If you're just getting started with your Etsy store, you want to make designs, you're new to designs, definitely use Canva. It's super awesome, and I think you guys will really like how user-friendly that is. All right, so I'm inside my shop, so I can edit. I'm going to go to my banner. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I want a big banner on mine, and it says minimum image size 1200 to 300. So that's nice. They tell you what size this picture should be. That way it shows up in a nice size for both of your desktop and mobile. All right, so now I need an image. All right, I don't have an image yet. So we're gonna make one for the store that we just created, Aloha U. And we're going to create design. We're gonna go down here to custom size, and we're gonna do 1200 by 300, just like Etsy would like. Super. So this is the size of our banner. I want to make it very, very simple. This is Canva, you guys. Very user friendly. You can upload photos here. This shows all the photos that are stock in the Canva, so you can use all of their stock photos. I use Pro. I think it's like 10 bucks a month. Elements, you can search different elements, underline, shapes. If you want a carrot, gives you carrots. It's pretty cool. It's pretty user friendly. Add text. Alright, so I'm going to add a background for ours real quick. Something simple. Something refreshing, I think. Looks good. What's this? Looks fun. Food? No. Textures. Let's go with textures. Let's throw that on there. I want to upload. I'm going to make it very simple. I'm just going to upload some of those photos we had, so they can kind of show us the process of what this is going to look like. This is going to give the customer an awesome feel for how the process works, what the customer flow is going to look like. So I'm going to upload these photos here. I thought we had another photo like this one here. I might have to pull it. Give me 1 second here. Oh yeah, that's a video of the creation. What's up, Tyler? Business partner on this project. He does the editing. Alright, let's grab this one here. Got that downloaded. Excellent. Alright, let's go back and let's create this design. There's the next one that we want. And we're also going to grab the finished product here. All right. So this we got this, and we got the finished product. I do want to make this a little cropped up. There we go. Alright, that's the finished product, right? So that's gonna be cool. Something super basic, just for example here. Text. Do the equals symbol. Make that a little bigger. Maybe a little bigger than that. Alright, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. You guys, I really like doing this Etsy stuff. It's a super good way to make some passive income. I've made multiple stores now. Last year I made my first store March, about January I started. Don't quote me. January, February. Had little sales, $100, $200 my very first month. Second month, doubled that. Third month, I had about $5,000 in sales, you guys, simply by putting the work into my Etsy store. This is what it's going to look like for now. Very basic. If you want to add something, save it as a PNG. So it's a nice file. So you guys, I started last year with Etsy. Made a store, got things drop shipped. It was super awesome. I had a really good time. Made, like I said, about $5,000 my third month. And rocked that for about 2-3 more months and ended around $20,000 for that store. Then COVID happened and shipping times slowed down and it was really crazy. But I was projecting for about I'd say $120,000 a year. Say COVID didn't happen. Shipping got really bad. Things got backed up. And it wasn't a good time. So wasn't fun, but hey, it works. Etsy stores work. I like them a lot. There's many ways to do them. We're going to add this picture now for this banner that we just made. There we go, guys. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, we're going to save that. There we go. That is how you make a Etsy banner to the size that you'd like. Cover photo, you either want super clean, super basic, or very easy to understand. And this is kind of showing people the process. Hey, we're getting a picture. We're going to make some edits to it. And bam, it's going to be on your wall. Hope that helped. Thanks, guys. And tune into the next video.